In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a website for your online business completely for free. This video is for you if you want to start up a small online business, but you don't want to spend any money hiring people to make you a website. You don't want to spend any money on hosting or a domain name. This video will show you how you can set up a website which is working, where people can order product from you completely for free. Let's go to my computer and I'll show you exactly what you need to do step by step. So the first thing you need to do is open up a web browser, and we need to go to the website builder we're going to use to build our own website. You can either click on the link in the description, or if you want to go straight to it, it's just Wix. So go to wix.com and it will take you to this main website here. Create a website you're proud of. This website here, Wix, allows you to customize your own website in a drag and drop way, which makes it really easy for beginners who want to essentially create their own website. So what you need to do first is, you can have a look around on the Wix website, but I'm going to show you everything you need to know. You need to click on Get Started. That's going to open up this page here where you can either log in or sign up if you haven't got an account, enter in your email and your password. I'm just going to log into my account here, and then I'll show you what you need to do. So when you log in, you won't have any websites here. These are just like test websites. You won't have any of these. You'll just be taken straight to the create a new site walkthrough here. So I'm going to click on create a new site. If you aren't for some reason taken to that page, just go to your home page here and then click create a new site. And you'll see it's very easy to understand. It's very easy to learn, and it's very easy to create the website. So what kind of website do you want to create? Now, you don't have to set this in stone. You don't have to pick one and then go with it. You can change this. Or if you want to, just click Other, which is what I recommend actually. And you can then let Wix choose and design the website for you, or you can just go and use a template and then customize it for your own needs, which is what I recommend you do. So create your website with the editor. So start with a template and make it your own. We can then choose a template, and what it's going to do now is it's going to load up a bunch of templates that we can choose from. We can choose from all templates, which are basically fully functional websites, or we can choose like from blank templates. Now, if your business is selling product, you can go into, for example, store, and you can choose a specific online store for a certain category. If your business is more service-based or more personalized, you can choose one of these websites here. So for example, I don't know, we'll just say we're going to make an arts and crafts website to sell our different arts and crafts. So once you've done that, you're going to then be shown a load of different templates here that we can choose to create our website on. So I'm going to choose, we'll just choose one that's easy to work with here. We'll just choose the Urban Art Store. Now you can view it before you edit it, and you can change this theme as well at a later date. So don't worry about trying out different themes and choosing one that works for you. Now when we click edit here, it's going to load up the Wix website editor. And again, this is very easy to use. If you've got no experience creating a website, this is super easy. It's completely free, and you're going to be able to edit everything here. So here's our website. We've got different elements here on the website that we can change. So I'll just run you over them real quick. This obviously is our background. We also have our logo, a text box here. We have a menu here. So clicking on this will take you to the shop, which will be down here. You've got an about section, which will take you down here. And then you've also got a contact form, which will take you to the very bottom of the page, which can be filled out here. Now, everything that you're seeing on this page, including the small details like this red strip here, can be customized completely for free, and you can start to build this website and make it your own. So this is obviously not your logo, so we can just delete this and just get rid of this. And let's say we want our store name just at the top of the page. Let's say we don't have a logo. So I'm going to call this Bradley's Art, just for the sake of the video, but obviously you might have a better name than that. So we can then edit this text if we want to by clicking on the text, double clicking on it, and if we just go to fonts here, we can choose from one of the fonts that Wix has already installed, and you can mess around with this and play with it until you've got something that you like. I've just realized I've put art and not arts. So Bradley's Art. Now we can make the font size bigger and smaller. Again, make sure it's highlighted when you do that, and you'll see the page changing with the font size. And then again, if we want to change this line, we can just click on it, and then we can drag it and obviously move it around. So here we've got Bradley's art. I'm actually going to remove this line because I don't like it. And if you want to delete anything, you just click on it. You see here how it says line, and then you can just click delete. So Bradley's art. So now we've got shop, about, and contact. If we wanted to change this to shop, maybe this would be updates, or I don't know, another page. We could click on manage menu, and here where it says home, under this you've got shop, about, and contacts. If you wanted to change the about page, you could just change it and rename it to something else. So you could call it, well, whatever you would want to call it. I'll just call it test for the video, and then click done. And then you'll see it will change up here, so it will be test. And then when people now click on test, it would still go to the about page, but obviously you could then customize this to whatever you would want it to be. Some other things that you might want to know, the background here, which is very important. When you're creating a store, you want the background to obviously be nice. So what you can do is you can click on the background here, and what you're looking for is change strip background. So if you click on this, we can click on image, and again, this is all very easy. Once you've messed around with this for 5 to 10 minutes, you'll know what you're doing. You can then import images straight from Wix here. So I'm, for the video, going to click on the sand dunes and click change background. And here we go, now we've got some sand dunes. Now notice how the text doesn't really stand out. Maybe we want to change the color. So again, we can double click on the text, and if we just look hard enough, so you need to click on customize design. Then we can go fill color and opacity, and we can change this here. So if we go to text, and here is color. You might have to just like mess around with it and try and find it when you're doing your own websites, but as long as you stay committed to it and you persevere with it, you will find the options eventually. Even I don't know where everything is. It's just a matter of going through the buttons and just trying to find it. It's not going to be more than like 5 clicks away. So now we've got our website with our background. Notice how there's like a massive empty space here. Now we can just drag this photo up, and it's actually just going to like make everything a lot more easier to read, and you're just going to have that as your header. And then what we can do here is we can just move our text up, and notice how it's centering it for us. And then again with our shop. Cool, so now the last thing really, because I feel like I've gone over everything you need to know. Here's your shop. If you go and click on this and you click manage products, it's then going to open up this page here, and here you can add new products and delete the ones that are like tests and they're by default. You can click new product, and you can either make that a digital product or a physical product. So I'm going to click physical, and again you can run through all of this. It's very easy. You type in your title of your product here. You can add an image that you've maybe taken or a video. Again, you've got the price. Mine is in Thai currency because I'm in Thailand right now, but it will be your currency whatever part of the world you're in. You can make it on sale, you can put a description, then you can click save, and your product and image is going to appear here. So once you've done that, if you want to preview your website, you can preview it on mobile here and desktop, and it's going to show you how it appears on both mobile and desktop. You can click preview, and this is what your website will look like. So if I click on contact, it's going to take me to the contact page, which I would obviously have to customize. You've got your test here, you've got your products here, and it's just looking decent for saying we spent 5 minutes on it. Then to publish it, you want to go to publish, and here is your site's URL here, which you can copy and then paste to whoever you're trying to sell to. Wix do have different plans if you want to, for example, add your own domain or have other features. You can go and upgrade if you want to. But if you just want a free website to get you started with your small business, then this is perfect for you.